Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get multiple Stripe accounts with one LLC. So first, you may want to head over to stripe.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Once in your dashboard, click on your company name located at the left corner of your screen, then click on create account. Start by naming your account. And of course, choose country of operation. Then once everything is good, proceed by clicking on the create button. So you have an option here to choose between non-recurring payments, recurring payments, and build a platform or marketplace, but you can skip this step for now. And from here, you will be prompted to go to Sandbox. Finalize everything, all you have to do is make sure that you verify and activate your newly created account for you to be able to start receiving payment and proceed with your operations. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Then we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!